The cost analysis is a comparison cost. It used to prepare financial statement. It is not the same as those used to control operation, and also for the purpose of disclosing and reporting on conditions subject to improvements. To perform cost analysis, total cost is the relationship between production, quantity, and cost, such as fixed cost plus variable cost time outputs. Fixed costs are only incurred once and remain constant in total amount. It costs time related, for example, indirect cost and overhead. Variable cost, it was activity-based. Activity-based is a cost driver, which is a measure of effort that influences what causes the cost to change. It changed in accordance with particular units of production. It remained constant per unit, such as cost per cubic meter, cost per cubic yard, cost per square foot. Total VC, total output quantity, time VC per unit of output. Benefit cost analysis. BCA is a decision-making tool used to determine the feasibility of project or investment or the probability of its success. It allows the manager to compare the ultimate cost and benefit of a proposed business activity or investment prior to committing time and resources. Performing a BCA allows management to identify the best cost alternative by evaluating the proposed project investment or value, comparing the initial evaluated results from a series of BCAs with competing projects, evaluating the business decision to determine short-term and long-term impact and benefits. The method of measuring BCAs. There's two types. First, payback method. Second, return on investment. Payback method is which determine when an investment will pay for itself. Return on investment, which compare the lifetime profitability of project or investment options using a percentage rate that represents the correlation between the invested amount and the return, such as return divided by investment times 100. The process of BCA. First, listing all options and stakeholders. Second, calculate and evaluate all the costs or benefits over the projected time period. Third, quantify all costs and benefits into currency. Fourth, add the applicable discount rates. Fifth, estimate the NPV of all options. Sixth, perform a sensitivity analysis and the recommended selections.
Metal roofing systems are built from metal, which is a lightweight, flexible, strong, and reliable building material. It can protect the building from heat gain by reflecting solar radiant heat back into the atmosphere. Metal is designed to last a long time and requires little to no maintenance. Metal is a widely used building material, and metal construction is gaining in popularity because of the economic and environmental benefits metal has to offer. LED or light emitting diode fixtures is the only lighting fixtures in green building. These solid lights, which are extremely energy efficient, LED price is slightly higher than normal lighting fixtures. The LED spreads the light directionally, which opposed to conventional bulbs, which spread light more spherically. Paints with reduced level of VOCs are more eco-friendly than conventional paints. Homeowners may choose high-quality zero VOC paints that also use VOC-free colorants, are free of vinyl and other plastic scissors, and do not contain harmful biocides. Paints with low VOC level tends to be more expensive than regular paints. Moreover, they tend to not have the same coverage ability as regular paints, which means more coats need to be applied. Wood plastic composites, or WPC, is a moderately new material that has numerous potential applications. These are compositions of thermoplastic polymers and wood particles in a certain ratio. They are typically compounded above the melting temperature of the thermoplastic polymers. WPC is strong, durable, termite-proof, and recyclable. This is environment-friendly. Wood plastic, though, is a new green environmental protection material. Its production is very limited, so its price in the market is more expensive than other wood doors. Green plumbing helps to conserve water and energy using a variety of efficient fixtures and plumbing methods. Green plumbing fixtures provide home with many diverse benefits. The green plumbing fixtures is more costly than the conventional. However, green plumbing helps resolve this waste. They are also typically quite easy to install and often don't require professional help. Photovoltaic is best known as a method of generating electricity by using solar cells to transform photovoltaic energy from the sun into the stream of electrons. Photovoltaic, including cost of installation, may be costly, but looking over the long-term prices may still be considered as worth it. Rainwater harvesting is the simple process of technology used to conserve rainwater by collecting, storing, conveying, and purifying of rainwater. The construction cost is costly.
My part will explain about green materials for art gallery. In green buildings, the type of the lighting features used is LED features. This type of lighting features are somewhat costly, approximately 4 times higher price than the normal ones. These are solid lights which are extremely energy efficient. A significant feature of LEDs is that the light is directional, as opposed to conventional bulbs, which spread the light more spherically. LED lighting contribute to energy savings and sustainability by improving working conditions through deliberately directed light and lowering the energy needed to power lighting features. LED lighting also dramatically lower costs. In public building management, like any facility management or building upkeep, time is money. Because changing LED features happen far less often than usual traditional lighting. The initial cost of an LED retrofit can frighten of the most dedicated user of green technology. This cost pays itself back within 5 years of installation. Two major benefits for installing LED lighting in buildings. LED produce measurable financial benefits and notable physical benefits. Art gallery also use plumbing features. The potential plumbing features to save water is greater than ever. Changing climate and weather patterns have made water a precious commodity and are an incentive for efficient plumbing system. Next, green paints will reduce of VOCs are more eco-friendly than conventional paints. Some house paints have an even lower environmental impact. Owners of the buildings can select premium grade zero VOC paints that also use VOC-free colorants, are free of vinyl, and other plasticizers and include no toxic biocides. After that, art gallery use rainwater harvesting. The principle of collecting and using precipitation from a catchment surface. There are two main techniques of rainwater harvesting. First is storage of rainwater on surface for future use, and the second is recharge to groundwater.
The calculation of conventional material and green material price as shown is based on market price, wastage and labor needed. The table shows comparison of each item, which is roofing, window and opening, lighting, plumbing features, door, paint, PV panel, rainwater harvesting system. The cost in green building is high than conventional building. It is obviously since the initial cost of the green building is high by only 2 or 3% higher than conventional building. The initial cost of adding green building features is typically offset by saving in operation and maintenance costs, as they are designed to operate more efficiently. Numerous studies conducted in this field indicate that green buildings consume 25% to 35% less energy than non-green buildings. Such long-term saving in energy costs offset the initial cost of installing green filters, which can lead to shorter payback period to return the upfront expenditure of such green building investment. Based on table potential energy reduction and cost saving, the energy is consumed in the form of electricity from Tenaga Nasional Berhad. The electricity is shown in kilowatt hour per month. Electricity has higher energy consumption as it is used for equipment, lighting, and cooling usage in this building. Assume the average consumption of electricity is 4,532 kilowatt hour per month. It will cost Rm 32,630 per month. According to research Roslizar, the percentage energy usage reduction is identified for common commercial buildings such as office buildings. Therefore, energy consumption can be reduced by equipment types. For instance, air conditioner is 38%, lighting is 22%, equipment such as computer printer at 34%, and others 6%. Based on the table presented, it can be observed there is a potential energy reduction and cost saving of 26% from conventional buildings. For conclusion, the performance of our building, gallery and office building, it depends how effective its energy efficient features functioning. It was possible to recover the additional investment of Rm 96,752 spent on redesigning.